Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 25G, and today I'll show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type green Apple keyboard. Let's get it, it's from the Arvin apps, we have to install that application. Right now let's open. And what we have to do right now, click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK for the 2 times, then just go back and tap to switch input methods. Switch to English United States, green Apple keyboard, and tap to finish. Right now just go back and let's take a look. As you can see, that's how our keyboard theme has changed, and it looks very close to the iOS theme. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.